What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Please subscribe down below. So today's video kind of sucks, but I am going to be putting a lock on my tailgate because I woke up and I came out to my truck and it was missing. So two places it could have happened: in front of my house or at a grocery store where someone tried to take my tailgate. The cover's kind of like hard to take out. Not hard, but like it has to come out in an angle, this part, the cover, to be taken off. So it can't just fall off. So I think someone tried to take it, but this thing is broken. So this green latch thing is broken, so they couldn't take it out. So I bought a new replacement of this green thing, the cover, and I bought a lock, which I'll show you right now. Let me set the camera up. But a thief is going to take something, they're going to take it, you know? So I'm going to fix that and put a lock on. I'll show you what I got. So I got a Dorman. I'll link everything down below too. Got a new cover. I got new of those little clip things. Got my flathead, my needle nose, and the pop lock, which I opened inside. Here is the pop lock. Right there. Came in a bag. What's in the bag? Came with the sticker and welcome to Pop Lock. Put it in the box. Came with a big washer, 2 keys, and a screw. The first thing I'm going to do is try to take off this green thing and replace it with the brand new one. Okay, so it goes on that way. Remember that side. Just open the bag up. Okay. And then you just push it through that, I guess. Okay. Let's push it down, and then push through that lock. The latch. Hard. Does it go through? There you go. Alright, that was easy. So now it's just open every single time. Let's move that back. We just drop it. It doesn't enlarge, it does. Sweet. Alright, that was that first part. Now on to this bad boy. I saw a video that the guy just took off this bolt, so hopefully that will work. So instead of this washer, since it's big, you know what? Should I? I was going to switch out to this smaller washer. But I'm going to take these off later on and put Loctite on every single one and over here too. So it can't be taken off, or it'll be a little bit a struggle to take it off if someone tries to take it. But I don't know. We'll see how big the hole is. So let's see. Let's put this in my pocket. So this is 13. Whoa, that was easy. Yep, dang. Okay, let me tighten those. They were all loose. Yeah, I'm gonna put Loctite on them. Okay. Put that bolt right there. Here's my pocket. Here's right here. Stop it, Chase. That looks nice. That looks way better than the big one. Cool. So, one time put on, I guess. Okay. That's on, and they said just feed this through. I'm gonna take this sticker off too. Take this up a little bit, jam it through, and then the screw. There we go. Okay, so this has to be flush for the screw to go in. So let me screw down now. Okay, there it is. This is how it looks right here. So I'm gonna get Loctite on them, take it out the bolts again and put like Loctite on. And I don't know if I should just cover it up too, like so you can't get a wrench or something, or vice grips, pliers. Here are the keys. Let's see. Okay. Solid. All right. That's the video of it. I wish I didn't have to make a video of it, but it was missing when I came out to look at my car, so I don't know if someone tried to take it, but it's hard to, it's not hard, you just pop it off, but I don't know how it can fall off by itself. But I want to say thank you guys. Let me sit down. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and more videos are going to be coming. Just give me some time. I have work and of course family. It's hard to make videos, but pretty cool. Pop and lock. So peace. Thank you.